Hi, and welcome to EdrawMax. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a Christmas card. EdrawMax has many built-in Christmas card templates. Let's scroll down to the card section, and then click on the Christmas category. At the bottom, you'll find those many built-in Christmas card templates. Just double-click on any card template to open it. These are just a few of the most beautiful built-in Christmas card templates available in EdrawMax. Let's see how to edit any Christmas card template. To edit any built-in Christmas card template, first choose a template and double-click to open it. Under the Home tab, select the Text option and add the text of your choice. Format this text by choosing the font, increasing its size, and then changing its color. Once you're done with the editing, go to the File menu and choose Export and Send. Here you'll find the option to export it in image format. Click OK on the window that shows up and select the location to export this template as an image file. Now let's see how to design a Christmas card using built-in symbols. Let's scroll down to the card section and then double-click on the Christmas category to open a blank drawing template. On the left side, you will find all the built-in symbols that can be used to design any Christmas card. Let's go to Page Layout, and then change the page size. Here, select the Custom Size option, change the units to pixels, and enter the dimensions as 600 by 800. Change the page orientation to Portrait, and then click OK. Let's change the background color, and then create a custom shape design using the Pen tool under the Symbols tab. Remove its outline and change its fill color. On the left side Shapes pane, drag and add an oval shape. Adjust its size, remove its outline, and change its fill color. Now let's choose a symbol from our built-in collection and add it to our card design. Next, under the Insert tab, add a vector text. Type in your text, format it how you want it, and then click OK to add it. Let's remove the outline from this vector text and add a few more symbols into our design. Change its fill color, reduce its size, and create a few more instances by dragging it while holding down the Control key. Let's add a circle shape and remove its outline. Now let's reduce its size and create a few more instances to beautify our design. As you can see, it's pretty simple to design a beautiful Christmas card. Now let's see how to export your Christmas card designs. Once your design is ready, you can export it into an image by going to the File menu. Here, select the Export and Send option, and then click on Graphics Format to export it as an image. Select the file location and then click on Save. Once it exports into an image, you can send it to family and friends. Oh wait, I received an email from a friend. All of us here at EdrawMax wish you a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more diagramming videos.